Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing which panel of the Z Fold 5 you want to capture and preparing the screen. Make sure the content is visible and any overlays are closed. This prevents accidental captures of unwanted UI. Once done, decide whether to use gestures, the button combo, or quick settings. Each method captures slightly different areas. Start with what's fastest for you. If you'll do many screenshots, enable gesture shortcuts in settings to speed the workflow. Now execute the capture using one of 3 dependable methods, and I'll explain why you might pick each. Press power plus volume down at the same time for a reliable, consistent full screen shot. This is the simplest. If you enabled gestures, swipe the edge of your hand across the display to capture without pressing buttons. It's handy when the phone is mounted. Or open quick settings and tap screenshot to immediately get an edit toolbar for cropping or markup, which saves time when precision matters. Finish by editing and saving your screenshot so it's usable. After capture, use the toolbar to crop, highlight, or annotate. This is where you add context or hide sensitive info, then tap Save or Share. Your image lands in Gallery under Screenshots. Move it to an album or back it up to cloud storage for safekeeping. If a screenshot doesn't register, make sure buttons are working and gestures remain enabled. If problems persist, restart the device to clear temporary glitches and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.